a good instructor, properly custodian, and school electrician. His unwavering dedication to duty and unparalleled professionalism have consistently earned the respect of subordinates, peers, and superiors alike. An innovative and relentless troubleshooter, his vast technical knowledge greatly aided in the school's success. Awarded the 17th day of December 2022 at Valencia City, Bukidnon. Signed, Human Resource Officer Christine M. Pepito, Administrative Officer Camilo Teodoro D. Pepito Jr., School Director Berlina B. Puno, Corporate Secretary Perfecta C. Hanalino, and our School President, Attorney Isaiah P. Gilocchio. A round of applause, please. Okay, teacher. Okay, welcome sa program. Pero as requested, mga idol of short response ang audience sa itong retiree.